Am I becoming like Chris Fix now?
Yeah.
Yes!
See how much lower it would go.
Has he recorded himself good, Steve?
Welcome to another video of Woodstick, and today I'm installing the coilovers on the LEXUS IS200. Here's the set of tools, check this out, and the coilovers. So I bought these for £170 from eBay, Chinese product, smack speed rods, that's what they're called. But yeah, let's open this up right now. Look, they're quite heavy, they are. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but I've never installed coilovers in a LEXUS before, but I do know that they're not adjustable from the top, they're adjustable from the bottom. Yeah, I've never done these before, so what I'm gonna have to do is get the standard ones off the LEXUS and then measure them up. So let's see how this goes. It might take me they say about 2-3 hours, but it might take me all day because I'm a noob at this. Hopefully this will be very interesting to see, and for me. But yeah, so I'm with Gavin, Cosford Customs. He's going to be helping me out. But check this out. That's his 350Z, baby. Absolutely sick. I can't wait for this to be on the channel because it is one of a kind.
As long as it's trapped, then you can just jack it up, can't you?
Yeah. Well, that's the last one done. Now it's time to jack this baby up. Okay, now get this out today. So we're actually talking about Chris Fix, innit? Absolute jokes. So yeah, so he's actually told me to put it on there for now because you can use all sorts of frames, the main subframe if you want. Unless if that's rusty, then you don't put it on this one. Well, that's what I learned today. Well, that's it. We'll get the bigger ones. But yeah, Chris Fix, man, he's a top YouTuber, man. Such a young kid. Right then, guys, time to put the second tripod on. I think that's fast.
No messing around.
I'm not wasting time. I got to Driftland next Friday. Another thing like this. Pow. Take these off now. The car is actually standing now on 2 tripods. Hurry up. Well, there you go. Slide this under then, yeah? Good. And this one comes out. Wow, voila. Quickly do a nice pads. I was thinking why they were so strong. And the previous owner has painted these. A decent disc, which is good. Drop the wheel. There we go. So that's it, that's 2 wheels off. So yeah, so what are you doing here then?
Just loosening everything so we don't have to.
And so you're saying, from your previous experience, you're saying these cars are easier because it's all laid out, is it?
There's just loads of space, isn't there, you know?
Yeah, because look at this. You know, when I first got the car from Copart, I thought this car's been drifting. I thought, oh my god, the airbox, everything's missing. What the hell's going on? And then I realised picking these Lexuses.
You need that turbo kit, don't you, to fill it up?
Yeah, or a 2JZ engine. People have fitted in 1UZ engines from the Lexus L400, is it? And they put the V8 in this thing and supercharge it. But yeah, I think these cars can be a perfect sleeper, you know. In America they do. Adam LZ or someone will probably do. Or the Boosted Boys. You watch Boosted Boys?
I don't, to be honest.
Yeah, you watch them.
I don't think so. I might have done, but
They put flipping 1000 brake horsepowers, eBay turbos on a Civic, and they literally rip supercars apart. It's crazy, man. So what's going on here then? So
well, basically, it's only attached through there
yeah.
and on there.
So I'm taking them 2 bolts off and these 3 bolts. Yeah.
Oh, do me a favour.
Yeah.
Just put the jack underneath the see end of the arm here.
Yeah. Yeah. For 1 second.
Right.
A jack.
Yeah, underneath the arm.
Am I becoming like Chris Fix now?
Yeah.
That's off. These ones are coming off. And this one.
Put them on there.
Oh yeah. So I've got to take this one out from this hole and it should be sorted. And that's how you take the last bolt. I'm fast like you saying bolt. Yes! Yes!
See if you can get that loose now.
Okay. Whoa. Oh my god, you did it! So what actually happened is you just hammered the crap out of it upwards and this was like that, dropped and the coilover was... Yeah! Man, these are getting rusty, these will. Shut these. This is the front, baby. Okay, right, so that goes right here like that. Okay? Yeah?
Yeah. Take that to where it needs to go.
Whoa.
What do you want to do? Slam it all the way?
Freaking out, make it look, make it stance, man.
Compare them next to each other and see how much lower it would go. Yeah, that's alright, isn't it?
You think? You're the genius here, you're Einstein. You're the one's gonna get a PhD. So now the new coilover has been put in now. So screwed them on, obviously just to hold it on properly. And you got right below the coilover, yeah?
Does that look right to you?
Is that even the right way? Yes! Yes! Okay, right now we're installing the 3rd coilover. Well, we have installed it, but we put the tyre back on but too low. So now Gavin here said that there's 35 half turns, yeah? On the 3rd wheel, it's a struggle because we took all the bolts off and now the only way to get the coilovers off is to take this arm right here. So if this arm comes off now, then this should pop out. Well, that's Gavin's theory. So, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned, because this is a DIY job and a half. What is
I'm pushing it out now.
I was thinking,
You were pushing it in.
what the hell? This is the bolt that comes off. Oh. Look it moving. Block the mic's that side. off, man. Okay, you done it. Oh, hold on, wait. Hey, masterpiece. It's raining now. That's looking nice, that is. Sick. Okay, so I'm starting up the last one, a final one. So I've taken off all the bolts right here. You can see again the back ones are slightly different. I've got to take the back thing off from here, rip it open. There it is. So I've taken them all off, and it normally looks like this when it's on properly. So taking them off. The next bit is, once we take that bolt off right there, once we take that off, you gotta take this one off as well, so this arm can drop down, and then this can be pushed forward to here like the last video that we seen, and then this will drop down, and then you can yank this off. So we're gonna do that right now. If you can't find the right toolbox in this Arizona, you're in the wrong garage.